road drive of this new proposed Lekki International Airport. You can see behind me here that work is ongoing on this proposed Lekki-Epe International Airport. This tells you that you don't want to miss out in any property that directly facing this amazing airport. Then I want to present to you a property called Fairmont Green and Smart Estate. This property is located in Ayetoro Scheme, which is the location where the airport is situated, and it is opposite the proposed Lagos International Airport. That is the airport over here, and this is the property. Let's go inside and let me tell you more details about this amazing project. Property is still selling for 40 million naira, and this property will still appreciate before the end of 2025. So if you want to buy right now, the best time is right now to key into Fairmont Green and Smart Estate. And with deposits you can spread across 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and even 2 years as well in this amazing location. Give me a call right now to help you to invest right here in this amazing property facing the proposed Lekki International Airport. Thank you. Bye.